Welcome back. As part of my mid-year mind and body reset, I'm sharing the meals that are helping me lose 10 pounds, build muscle, and create healthier habits. Today is all about desserts. Let's get started. We all know that sugar and dessert is one of the ways to quickly derail our diet, but not anymore. Today, you guys, I am going to be sharing with you one of my favorite dessert recipes, and it comes together in a matter of minutes. So when you've got the craving for something sweet, no need to derail that diet anymore. This recipe you make in advance, you refrigerate it. So when that sugar craving, dessert craving hits you, you go to that fridge and you are all set to go. So you guys come in close and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to put this high protein dessert together. And it reminds you of a Snickers bar. All right, the first thing to go into our mixing bowl is our Greek yogurt. Next, our smooth and creamy peanut butter. And you guys, there's nothing in this peanut butter but peanut butter and some salt. And if you're interested in getting some of this for yourself, I purchased it on the online market called Thrive Market. Some protein powder, and then our sweetener. Time to mix it all together. Okay, this is ready. So I'm gonna set this aside and it's time to melt this chocolate. So I've got some sugar-free chocolate in my container. To it, I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, and this helps to melt this chocolate and to keep it nice and smooth and spreadable. Off to the microwave this goes in 20-second increments. Okay, everyone, that looks really good. This olive oil works wonders on melted chocolate. Look at that. Okay, you guys, and with this, it is time to put it together. Okay, I have my storage container, or you can make individual desserts in these mini dessert cups. I've done this before in the past, but today we're going to use a storage container. What we do is we're going to start off with putting some of this mixture. This serves as a nugget in the bottom of our container. On top of this goes our chocolate. Like that. Another layer of the nugget. And last, some more chocolate. All right, you guys, and optionally, you can add some chopped peanuts on top. I don't have any today, but other than this, all the prep work is done. It's time to refrigerate this for about an hour or so, and then this is ready to enjoy. You can definitely still enjoy your desserts and satisfy your sweet tooth by swapping out those sugar-laden desserts with healthy swaps such as this. And as you can see, you guys, it took all of about 5 minutes to put this together. For prep time, you just gotta be patient to let it set in the fridge for about an hour or so, but do it in advance, you guys. So once again, when you need something sweet, you can just grab it and feel guilt-free with recipes such as this. And also, if you want a frozen version of this, please be sure to check out the link in that description above, because I've made that before in advance, froze them, and they last for months, and they remind me of a frozen Snickers bar. All right, you guys, that's it for now. Be sure to check out all of the other desserts and recipes and health tips in my mid-year mind and body reset playlist. And until then, you guys, enjoy, and I'll see you soon.